The Prime Minister today kind of giving a preview of a couple of things that are going to be in the budget. And the sort of the centerpiece of this announcement today is this plan for automated enrollment in certain federal benefit programs for lower income Canadians. These are mostly programs that you have to file an income tax return in order to qualify for. So things like the GST or HST tax credit, the Canada Child Benefit, Canada Workers Benefit, and Canada Disability Benefits. All these things you've got to kind of proactively apply for them, either by applying directly to the departments or by filling out an income tax return. But this is kind of unnecessary because the Canada Revenue Agency collects this information about people's incomes levels so they can calculate, for example, who would qualify for a GST rebate and whose income is too high. So they can just do this automatically and start sending the checks to people who qualify for them instead of then having to fill out those tax returns every spring. This could be actually a step towards getting to a point where most Canadians would not be required to fill out an income tax return, that it would all be done electronically by computer because your employer sends in all your information about your income. You don't need to go through this process of typing in the numbers from your T4 into either a printed or online tax return program. But listen to what Mark Carney had to say about the benefits for this program for people who are at lower incomes.
Canada's new government will start pre-filing tax returns in the 2026 tax year, scaling up to that 5.5 million number of low-income Canadians by the 2028 tax year. This program will pay out hundreds of millions of dollars in benefits in the next few years that would otherwise be left unclaimed, helping our most vulnerable get the supports that they need.